want to talk about headlights. It is going to be November in a day or two. Time change is coming on. .318 right now. It's rainy, and I don't feel sorry one bit when an asshole doesn't have his lights on when it's raining. It is a state law. Okay, people, it's already passed. Let's get going. Another dumbass didn't have his lights on. That's why I flipped it over facing the road. Zoom in a little bit more. My phone is in the middle of my car. This is what kills people. Dumbass drivers that don't have their headlights on. Now, if I got my wipers on, then you should have your headlights on. It's a state law, but it's a secondary offense. I think that's a bunch of bullshit. This is a state route road. When you see more people has their lights on and you see one asshole without their lights on, you're a dumbass. Fucking idiots, man. Never use the turn signal, pull into the place. Freaking hate dumbasses. They don't use turn signals. They need to start enforcing that. Headlight laws need to be upped. If you don't have your headlights on when it's rainy, foggy, a crappy looking day that's gray in the background, gray cars blends in. Look at the car in front of me. About the same color as the damn road. That's why you have your lights on. That's just a dumbass. And the rain stops, and it picks it back up, and then it stops. But you still keep your lights on. The road's wet. Headlights on. Quit being a dumbass Oh, I can see where I'm going. I don't need my headlights. It's not for you. It's for dumbasses. Here you go. Here's another one. Two dumbasses. Hit my high beams and gave them the California salute. The middle finger. Because you're a dumbass. CDL and commercial vehicles should be $1,000 fine. For not having your lights on. Regular people should be $500 fine. They will learn really fucking quick. Here's another dumbass. Here comes another car coming at me. Those freaking daytime running lights sucked on that Chevy pickup. Daytime running lights should be bright, not just a little tiny little bling. You can't see shit. Then they need to have lights on at the tail end. Tail lights. Should have two lights at the bottom. Two LED bulbs that are bright. Not your brake lights. Those should be daytime tail lights. Freaking marker lights is okay, but it started up again. It's got a ring. So you can see it's raining. See how the water's picking up? See how the water's picking up from the tires? That's why you have to have tail lights. I really zoomed out. Can't having to slow the wipers down, speed it up. Rain or not rain. There's another dumbass behind this red car. Oh, they turned their lights on. Yay, one out of how many times? Bravo! I finally got one to turn their lights on. Out of 20 damn cars. He's got his freaking fast wipers on. I can't see the road. I'm getting ready to turn off for the State Route Road. State Route 68, Brown County. And you can see people got their lights on. See, you can see the headlights before the car. That is why you have your headlights on.